What's happening with the stock market? Apple and Tesla are shredded. How to rotate the portfolio and protect yourself. What to do in the upcoming months. In this video we go through the most important notes from the FOMC conference held yesterday and how this meeting will affect the world economy and our portfolio when it comes to stocks, indexes and other trading instruments. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and make money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, drop servicing, drop shipping, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would like to take this opportunity to announce that soon we will have a membership option and private Discord server where you'll have the opportunity to have access to our private stock portfolio. Today we are talking about the conference that took place in America and probably the most important meeting this year that affected the entire crypto market and the securities markets. So let's get started. Three most important things that Jerome Powell brought out and which we follow are tapering, rate hikes and balance sheet. Okay, now you're probably wondering what these terms are, so let's move on. Tapering refers to policies that modify the traditional activities of the central bank. What Jerome Powell said was that the purchase of assets would be closed in March. The term rate hikes refers to increasing rates. A 0.25% increase is currently being negotiated. Right here, I think that it will be the most entangled, and that's why we still see the market scales a little on the one side and then a little on the other. It's not similar to previous market crashes from previous years. The term balance sheet refers to the financial statement that reports on the assets, liabilities and capital of a company at a particular time. Balance sheets provide the basics for calculating rates of return for investors and estimating a company's capital structure. In short, the balance sheet is a financial report that gives a picture of what the company owns and owes, as well as the amount invested by shareholders. When Jerome was asked specifically whether he would keep the asset on the balance sheet or allow part of the property to be sold, he again gave an ambiguous answer, which again brings us to the position of balance where the situation shifts slightly from one side to the other. He may not have given a concrete answer so as not to trigger an apparent market crash or re-emerge trajectory and market growth. According to Jerome, inflation is worse than they could have predicted and assumed. These were generally the three most important monetary policy topics with which the Fed is trying to control inflation. All that with being said, when we look at the volatility index, we see that it's still above 30. Okay, what's volatility index? Volatility index, or more popular among investors, VIX, is a tool that investors use on stock exchanges before buying or selling shares. Simply put, VIX refers to market expectations of volatility or price fluctuations over the next 30 days. In most cases, the higher the volatility, the more risky the security, or the higher the index, the more timid the market. This index is calculated based on the S&P 500 based options. What's happening in the options market and what institutions are ordering and doing, this is a very precisely calculated value that measures the market fear factor. It seems to me that this January is the worst start in the history of the S&P 500 index. In my personal opinion, given the record GDP growth and employment rate, these are not factors that can lead us to a recession and a long-term bear market. In order for this to continue in the raw bear market, some important factors must be expressed, such as geopolitical problems, global problems like Russia and Ukraine, and obviously China, which is always in the story when Russia and America are included. For now, the market is trying to find support, and we need to VIX to decline. So if you plan to trade in the near future, pay attention to the VIX index. From everything we discussed today, we come to some suggestions and opportunities that the market is offering to us. Although Microsoft recorded the best Q4 ever and outstanding financial results, it recorded an additional drop of 2.5%. Remember, when you want to invest, do not seek for the lowest possible share price, but a share price that is bearable and acceptable, or if you think that the company you're entering is undervalued and underestimated. Personally, I think this is an opportunity to buy blue chip shares, which are so called safe. These are stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla, and McDonald's dividend paying stocks. With the dollar cost average long term buy and hold, I believe that this is an investment that will surely pay off with a profit. The- there is one famous phrase of Warren Buffett: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. If we look at the index, the only one I think needs to drop further before you buy it is the Nasdaq index. Given that the stock market is a high risk market and not everyone has the capital to start, Broker Freedom 24 provided you with free shares worth up to $1,000. All you have to do is sign up using the first link in the description and claim your stock. You can sell it and raise money, or save it for a later sale, or simply sell it and continue to build your portfolio. Another important announcement is that for all people who want to be more serious about investing in stocks and indexes, we'll soon create a private Discord group where you will have the opportunity to get detailed information and take a share of our private portfolio of stocks and indexes in which I invest, and much more. But all about this in the upcoming videos. That would be all for this amazing video. In the upcoming videos, we will talk about new different ways and strategies to make money online working from your home. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!